already pre-cooked. I always pre-cook my sides. So all I have to do is cook my meat. It cuts down on cooking time. It's because I'm going to have some garlic mashed potatoes as well. I'm not going to put a whole bunch of rice in here. That's just for a taste, okay?
Garlic mashed potatoes. I love garlic mashed potatoes.
Alright, so I'm going to get some butter. We got some potatoes boiling. You know, I do everything fresh.
Alright. I'm washing the dishes right now.
Yes, we use real butter, baby. Real butter. You know, it's better than margarine. They say margarine isn't good. And imitation, nothing is good. Let's just keep that all the way 100.
She's saying it's better to have the real thing?
Yes. So I have my garlic potatoes boiling over here. Y'all ain't gonna see that. It ain't nothing hot. I'm gonna put a few things of broccoli right in the water to kill time. Never thought of that, huh?
Okay, so you're gonna cook the broccoli with the potatoes while they're boiling?
I'm gonna use the water. You feel me?
Awesome. I think everybody's looking for like a time saver.
Yeah. So while my potatoes are boiling, I'm actually gonna put some broccoli right in the water. And somebody be like, why would you do that? To save time. The potatoes are clean. We're just gonna put a few heads of broccoli in there.
Don't come for us, guys. She actually washed the potatoes before we started, okay? Some people are very particular. I know everybody has their way of doing things. So there's nothing wrong with saving a little time, right?
Saving a little time.
Yeah.
And I also save on pot. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this rice out of here, put it in a glass bowl.
Okay.
And set that to the side. Put some more oil. So, okay, basically this meal is garlic mashed potatoes with turkey and rice, or brown turkey and rice. Broccoli. Is this so this is like a healthy meal for all of my vegans and all that. Thank you. And low carb people, this may not be for you. I gotta make meals for everybody because, to be honest, it looks like when I do that healthy video, I don't know who be watching. And to be honest, I don't really care who's watching. I'm just gonna do how I do. Yeah. I don't get involved who's watching. I don't get involved what y'all eat at home. I don't really care.
We give a little bit for everybody. Exactly. I mean, I think they'll find something for, everybody will find something for themselves, you know?
Yeah.
We have shows for the vegans, the vegetarians, for the, and for everyone else.
Don't mean no harm.
No harm, no foul.
But, this is how we eat in real life, so I ain't just gonna be making videos just to make them.
You know, I just got hungry. Like, I wasn't hungry at first, but I'm hungry now.
So, yeah, I know, baby. So, look. Yeah, I left the rice in there.
No.
Look, I gotta give people something to talk about. Look. It's al dente, y'all. It's time to take that out.
Oh, look at that
I
steam.
really don't want to overcook it. Just basically steam it. Because the more you cook your vegetables, you know, you cook all the vital vitamins. Vitamins. Vital. Very important. And
vita means life. Vitamins, like vitality, means life.
Yeah. So, you put these little chunks of broccoli. I used to have a whole bunch of broccoli. You really don't have to do that. Just a few things of broccoli will do the trick. And guess what? Because some of the broccoli is kind of shedding in my potato water, I'm going to kind of like benefit from that a little bit too. Okay. So as you can see, I cut a little bit of onion in there. I like to cut onion up with my fish. Not because I like onion only, but because of the flavors and the oils from the onion. It's going to be infused naturally.
I like that word, infused.
Into my fish. You like that word, infused?
Infused.
So you guys watch that a little bit. So you watch that a little bit.
Infused.
I ain't really like fish. I'm gonna keep it real. I just like with a passion fish nights when I grew up. However, I'm glad my parents had fish night because now that I'm grown, I know the importance of fish. So I'm saying this because start your children out, and this is a disclaimer, I'm not talking to the people who are allergic to fish, okay?
I know because there's some people who are allergic to seafood.
Thank you.
Fish included.
Yes. If you just started watching me, I used to do live videos a lot, and they would just put me through it. You know, so I had to retire from live videos. Yes. Yes, I had to retire. So look, go back in my archives in this video. Like, just go and search all of my videos. You see how I used to get down back in the day.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all can binge out on that.
Oh, yeah. You used to go back and forth with them.
But because I'm almost of a particular age.
And you're trying to live your best life.
I can't do that anymore. So I have retired from the live streaming, guys. Oh, everybody say, oh. Yeah, honey. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you. If y'all sitting there waiting at Facebook like, when's she going to go live? Not much.
And going live gives them a headache.
Yeah, it really does. Yeah. But anyway, y'all see that? I wish I could zoom this in, but unfortunately I cannot. Maybe I can bring it up to you guys. Look at that.
Oh, that's a good shot.
Okay.
That's a good shot.
And
look at that, guys.
Now I'll put some seasoning on it. Now salmon, because it has so much potassium in it, oh my gosh, you have to season it. Don't over season it now. But season your salmon, y'all. So I put a little bit of Montreal seasoning on there. And that's it. Because I'm also doing a low sodium diet, y'all. I love seasoning my food, but it doesn't love me. Now you could steam this if you would like, especially if it's frozen. Just gonna put that on there for a few minutes. But yeah, you know, cooking is something I love doing only because I love how it makes me feel. And it's nowhere I can order from really that cooks like me. Everywhere it's just too much.
It's either too salty, too sugary, too processed. Yeah.
Look at that, y'all. just kept, you know, letting that cook up. Y'all getting a live, but not live, cooking show. Isn't that wonderful?
Yeah, that's nice.
If I'm keeping it real.
Right,
I wish I knew about this years ago, but then nobody would have really understood, huh?
Thank you. No.
Y'all, I'm eating a piece of egg custard pie. My husband, he said, you know, we were in the market one day, and he said, oh, I love egg custard. I said, I'll buy it for you. Let's go get it. I said, guess what? You're going to be eating it, because I didn't like the word egg or custard. I was like, how is that going to taste? Yeah. I fell in love. It is so nice and flaky. No, not flaky. Yeah, it is flaky.
The crust is nice.
Lemony.
She loves lemon.
And light at the same time.
Yeah, this egg custard is very light and creamy and flavorful.
And I told him I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna learn how to make egg custard pie. And I'm gonna make it. Now I know every time I try to imitate what I, you know, love outside,
right,
it never really tastes like that because I'm so bougie and I don't like to put sugar in it. Hence my rice pudding video. It was good. It just was a little bland. So y'all, if y'all watch that rice pudding video, please put more sugar in there. Tablespoons what? Put a whole cup in there.
Nah.
Put a whole cup of salt. What is it? Sugar. Please.
Just add like more sugar than what we showed you.
But it was good.
It was good.
It was good. Jesus, that went down the wrong pot. Give me some water.
Oh wow. There you go.
Thank you.
You were talking about that rice pudding.
And I lied. I said it was good.
Exactly.
It was really good. The consistency, it just wasn't sweet enough. So I had to shake a little more salt on top of there for hubby. But you didn't have any of that.
No, I didn't have any.
See?
No.
Oh, but you're going to be eating it, though, because I'm not going to be thrown away.
She made a nice big pan of that lovely rice pudding, guys.
You don't like it?
No, I love it. I do. It just needs a little more sugar, that's all. Just a
I'm
tad.
enough sugar for you, baby.
Yes, you are.
You good.
Okay.
All right, y'all, let's get back to this nice little cooking show. Y'all see what I did, right? I took these onions, and then I put a straight back. I'm an onion freak. Okay?
Connoisseur, freak.
I ain't want to say connoisseur. I'm an onion freak. I love onions.
She does. She would put onion in her cereal if she could.
If I could. But how many colds do I get?
Like none.
Yeah. Thank you. Amongst other things. I don't get that typical women get. I don't get those either. Why? Because I eat a lot of onions.
I mean, she loves onions.
Y'all, I don't want to make this video too long because I do respect your time. But thank you so much for watching. Yes, I made some salmon, some rice, mixed with some ground turkey.
Wow, look at that, guys.
And to make that nice for y'all, I'm going to put these little sprigs, make a nice little thumbnail.
Thumbnail time. Look at that. Watch the broccoli.
See, see the broccoli hate.
It's not cooperating. There we go.
Okay.
Hold it. Cheese.
Okay, guys, make sure you thumbs up the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. And comment as well if you know, love this recipe. Or just, it don't matter. Yeah. Just comment saying you love the video.
All right.
We're talking at the same time.
Oh, okay. Guys, make sure you thumbs up this video. You've already said that. Guys, make sure you subscribe. I think you already said that. And we'll see you guys next time.